Hello Noor. I'm so happy to see you again, Noor. Hi Ankush. Good morning. I'm good. How about you? But I got pharyngitis. Good morning, Adarsh. I think we should study now. 7:18. Better than yesterday. Good to hear that, Noor. Now let's study, okay? Because it is important for my exam, Noor. Bye, Adarsh. Next year, in the month of May. I think first week of May. Guess what? I woke up at 1 approximately and I was so scared because I felt like I will fail. I hope I can chill after this exam. Maybe I can. But for now, like I'm so scared. I think I should study now. See you later, Noor. Okay? Kinetic energy of ejected electron, kinetic energy max, which is greater than or equal to kinetic energy. Okay, kinetic energy of ejected photon is equal to or greater than kinetic max, or less than or equal to 0. greater than or equal to 0. You may have some other exam then. Thank you, Noor. I need your blessings. Your prayer is much needed. Oh, maybe तो dual nature ही कर रही थी. Then I'll read this graphs, those graphs. Look, those graphs. Photoelectric effect. Bye, Noor. Wear a COVID mask for a bit while you study. Huh. I'm inside my home and I think COVID is already gone. So mask is not required. Okay. I don't want to wear those masks even for a single minute. So I'm sorry. Okay, Noor, you to take care of yourself. Till then, I'll study, okay? If frequency of incident photon is doubled, if frequency of incident photon is doubled, then kinetic energy will be more than double. Will become more than double, yes. Kinetic energy will become more than double. More than double. Frequency. Frequency double, kinetic energy more than double, okay? For photon, okay? Frequency of incident photon. If frequency of incident photon is doubled, then kinetic energy will become more than double, okay? Stopping potential can stop electron of maximum energy. Stopping potential can stop electron of maximum kinetic energy. The definition of stopping potential: minimum negative potential that must be needed. Minimum, it is the minimum negative potential that must be needed so that the photocurrent becomes zero. Stopping potential is always negative, therefore we don't find it necessary to write its sign. Minimum negative potential that must be needed so that the photocurrent becomes zero. Stopping potential. Stopping potential. Minimum negative potential. That is required for stopping potential. Minimum negative potential that is required for stopping, that is required so that photocurrents become needed so that photocurrent becomes zero. Photocurrent zero. Minimum energy, minimum potential, minimum required potential, negative potential. This is negative potential. Stopping potential is always negative. Minimum negative potential needed for photocurrent to be zero. always negative. Therefore, we don't find it necessary to write its sign. Stopping potential, always negative. I'm good, Ayat. Oh, yesterday was Sunday, no? I didn't study yesterday, so I have to study today. I don't want to study chemistry, I want to study physics. My physics is weak. Okay, then study chemistry, okay? Always negative. So we don't find it necessary to write its sign. Negative. Cathode. Positive terminal, electron. Anode. Negative terminal. Positive terminal to negative terminal. Cathode. Positive terminal. Negative terminal of battery is connected. Negative terminal of battery is connected. Repulsion of electron towards cathode. Positive. Negative. I swear to God, I don't want to think about that incident. Cathode. Positive terminal, anode, negative terminal of battery is connected. Electron from positive terminal to negative terminal. Maximum kinetic energy, but loses kinetic energy while traveling at point K E max equals to 0. Then the electron is repelled by the anode. Photocell. Working principle. Photoelectric emission or effect. Yep, I may need the doctor, but I'll not go to hospital. You don't have chemistry in your syllabus? That's weird. Photocell. Working principle, photoelectric effect. Eliminates with the intensity of illumination into a change in photocurrent. A photocell convert a change in intensity converts a change in intensity convert a change in intensity of illumination change in intensity of illumination change in intensity of illumination into change in photocurrent change in photocurrent photocell converts change in intensity of illumination illumination to photocurrent converts change in intensity of photocell convert change in intensity of illumination into change in photocurrent. Okay, this current can be used to operate control system and light measuring devices. used to operate control system, and light measuring devices. This current can be used. Photo current. Measuring devices. Light measuring devices and system. Operating system. Operate control system. Operate control system. If energy of incident photon on metal having work function phi equals to 2 electron volt. If energy of incident photon on metal having work function phi equals to 2 electron volt is energy 5 electron volt, then kinetic energy of emitted electron will be G equals to E minus I. 5 electron volt minus 2 electron volt. 3 electron volt. Okay, 3 electron volt, 1 electron volt, 1 and 2. If energy of incident photon on metal having work function phi equals to 2 electron volt is kinetic and emitted electron will be energy of incident photon on metal having work function then kinetic energy of emitted electron will be kinetic energy of emitted electron is equal to kinetic maximum 0 greater than or equal to 0. The emitted electron can be stopped by applying a potential of V stopping. System minus 1.2 volt. Then the photoelectric will work. .7 volt. photosensitive metallic surface has work function. Metallic surface has work function phi equals to h nu naught. If photons of energy 2h nu naught falls on this surface, the electron comes out with a maximum velocity 4 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Maximum velocity. When the photon of energy is increased to 5h nu naught, the maximum velocity of photon then the maximum velocity of photo electron will be k kinetic energy half m. A photosensitive metallic surface has work function h nu naught. 2h nu naught minus h nu naught equals to h nu naught half mv square. Then we have kinetic energy equals to 5h nu naught minus h nu naught 4h nu naught half mv v2 square is equals to 4 half mv square mv2 square. This multiply here, cancel. 4m by v square is equals to under root 4 v square. m2 is equals to 4 into v. v2 square v2 square v2 v2 4 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. v x 4 is 16 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. 16 into 10 to the power 8 16 into okay, this is 2 not 8. Yep, this is 2 under root 4 2. V square cancel 2 times 2 4 is 8 8 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Correct. What is TG account? I don't have TG. Does that mean Telegram? If you're asking for Telegram, then it's in my bio. Some mean. If it's some kind of app, I don't know. I don't use any app with the name TG. Do you mean IZ? If you are asking for Insta account, then I don't use Insta. For photoelectric emission from certain metal, the cut frequency is nu. For photoelectric emission from certain metal, photoelectric emission from certain metal, the cutoff frequency is nu. Nu naught is equals to nu. Okay. If radiation of frequency 2 nu impinges on the metal plate, the maximum possible velocity of emitted electron will be. The velocity of emitted electron will be, okay, kinetic energy is equals to E minus phi, right? Okay, for photoelectric emission from a certain metal, the cutoff frequency is nu. Nu. If radiation of frequency 2 nu, radiation of frequency 2 nu, half mv square is equals to 2h nu minus phi. Phi equals to E. That means in place of 5 equals to h nu naught of frequency 2 nu impinges on a metal plate, the maximum possible velocity of the emitted electron will be. For photoelectric emission from certain metal, 2 nu impinges on a metal plate, the maximum possible velocity of emitted electron will be. M is the electron mass. Okay. Half mv square 2h nu minus h nu. From here we can write half mv square is equals to h nu. Okay, then v is equals to h nu 2h nu upon m under root 2h nu upon m. Correct. Equals to 3. Morning, Nidhi. You too have a great day. Light of wavelength 5000 Armstrong falls on a sensitive metal plate with photoelectric work function of 1. Phase kinetic energy of fastest electron emitted is the Ke. 6.2 electron volt minus 4.2 electron volt. That will be K equals to E minus phi. This will be 0.2 2.0 electron volt. Energy is given h nu 6.2. Oh, it is given in joule. Then 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 19 into 1.9 into 10 to the power minus 19, or 1.6. It is 1.6. 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. Correct. I did the same thing. It's you not. If a frequency of incident photon is double, then its kinetic energy will be slightly more than double. Kinetic energy will be more than double. Maximum kinetic energy of emitted electron in photoelectric effect is independent of Ke is independent of, okay, we have energy minus phi. Frequency of incident light is Independent of frequency of incident light, number of photons incident per second, nature of metal, cathode, none of this. Maximum kinetic energy of emitted electron is independent of number of photons incident per second. Okay. Energy of photon, frequency of incident photon. It is the nature of metal. Why? It is none of this. Okay. Number of photon incident per second. Maximum kinetic energy of emitted electron in photoelectric effect is independent of number of photons incident per second. Kinetic energy of emitted electron केसँग independent छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ okay, number of photons incident per second. The photoelectric experiment in photoelectric experiment, if 10 to the power 20 photon per second incident in photoelectric experiment, if 10 to the power 20 photons per second incident having energy of each photon is in photoelectric experiment 10 to the power 20 photon NOU n equals to 10 to the power 20 photons per second incident having energy of each photon is equals to 5 electron volt. Work function of cathode is 2 electron volt. Stopping potential Vs will be Vs kinetic energy को बराबर हुन्छ हैन Vs the work function is not given. Work function of cathode is 2 electron volt. Stopping potential Vs will be five into 10 to the power 20. volt. 3 into 10 to the power 20 volt. Stopping potential is always negative, I know that. Okay, this is dummy data. Experiment. Energy 5 into work function 2 electron volt 3 volt. कितने मार्क्स आए थे मॉक में इतना अच्छा नहीं आया था और 2024 में भी इतना अच्छा नहीं आया था, तभी तो पढ़ाई कर रही हूँ. बाय एवरीवन.